Hey everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I will be discussing how to remove character AI timeout. So let's just discuss about that. Now first thing that you're going to be making sure is that you should have an active Wi-Fi connection or an internet connection. So make sure you search in your Wi-Fi settings that your Wi-Fi is working perfectly fine, since a lot of time it could be due to an problematic Wi-Fi connection. Now if that is working, I suggest you guys do your speed test and check your internet is working fine. Then you're going to be heading over to Character.AI, click on this create option and click on character, and it should work like normally it should. And just wait for a moment. You can see we're going to be naming our character. We can also choose an avatar for that, and we have our tagline and many other fields that we are going to be filling. And then we can click on create character, and it should not pop out any error of timeout. And I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more and see you guys in the next video.